JVN Dr. Anamika Aharwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic verification and validation, and this is very important topic. Okay, so let's start. Verification is what? Uh, when you take admission in the school or colleges, so the documents are verified by the admission cell. Okay, so that means they after verify their documents, that means now you are eligible for take the admission. Okay, that means that person is verified. Okay, that thing is okay, fine, means it is up to the mark, right? So verification means what? This you can say the building the product right. Okay, means आपने verify किया उसको, and the software should conform to its specification, means there is some authority who is verify your document. That means okay, 10th mark sheet is from this board, and you mention this much percentage. That means you verify, you write the correct status. Okay, you submit the right documents. That means your product is you can say confirm to its specification, right? So this is verification. Now what is validation? Validation, you can say, these are we building the right product, right? Means you need to validate it. That means the software should do what the user really requires. Okay, means here the requirement of user is very important. Okay, so as per the requirement you have to develop that software according. Okay, so this is validation. In simple, verification means it verifies the products and stages to see whether it matches the specific requirements of that particular phase. And in that verification, it comes that checks whether the product is developed according to the predetermined requirements and design particulars. And this can be done without execution of the software. The static methods are used like reviews, walkthrough and inspections. These all comes into the category of verification. Now come to the validation. Validation means what? Checks whether the end product meets the need of the business and answer the questions as to whether the software or application is fit for user and fulfills the business requirements. The execution of software is necessary for doing validation. Dynamic methods are used like types of testing, in types of testing like regression, smoke, etc. And these are involved over here, okay, in the validation. Now come to the V&V process, that is verification and validation process. It is a kind of process in which the whole life cycle, that is V&V, must be applied at each stage in the software process, as you have learned in the waterfall model. In the waterfall model, every input or every phase, you can say, has go through the verification validation phase, right? So here the two principal objectives are: first is the discovery of defects in the system, and the second is the assessment of whether or not the system is usable in an operational situation. Now, what are the goals of V&V? Verification and validation should establish confidence that the software is fit for purpose. This does not mean completely free of defects. Rather, it must be good enough for its intended use, and the type of use will determine the degree of confidence that is needed, right? These are the goals of V&V. So this is all about today's session, and this session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.